Okay, so I really don't like these pop-up top sinks. They're always getting clogged. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how you can sort of disassemble this and get back to having like a regular pipe that doesn't clog all the time. Okay, so the first step is just screw off the top. All right, and then you can see there's a little hex hole, so that's 6mm. And you put a little hex wrench in there and just unscrew it up. Yeah, and then you can kind of see why it keeps getting clogged. So as far as I'm concerned, these things are junk, and I'm just going to replace this with just a simple filter that sits on top of 3D printed. I'm just measuring the hole with the calipers. It's about 35mm.
Fusion 360. Okay, so we're gonna make a cylinder, and then we're gonna make an imprint in that cylinder. And the next step is we're gonna start to make some tabs. So these are spring tabs, and the way the spring tabs work is when you put it in the sink hole, it's going to sort of hold it in place so you can't push it down farther than it needs to be. The way to do that is you're gonna cut out imprint, and then we use the rotate tool to rotate it around. And then in the middle, we make a little stem, so we have something to hold onto to get the tabs out. And now we're making holes for the water to drain in. So again, use that rotate tool, make 6 holes. And then we make a little lip on the spring tabs so that you can't push it in too far down the pipe. We finish it off with some chamfers, then that's it. And here it is, doing the 3D print. The time lapse of my first one, and we actually ran out of battery here, but it still looks pretty cool.
Oops, camera died. Well, here it is. All right, let's see if this fits in the sink. Nice.